All right, I got the actually the caliper replaced for the uh, Land Rover LR3. So basically, just remove the brake wire here, so just kind of loose it up, and then just pretty much just transfer it from the old caliper to the new one. You're probably gonna see some brake fluid that's leaking. Got leaked all over my tire here, but that's okay. Just wipe it off. Prevent from corrosion. It touch any stuff that's metal. It's corroded over time, but just clean it off. Other than that, everything's going smoothly. So just have to tie this up here. I use some 5/8 wrench here, and then a socket wrench to tighten it up. So that's pretty much all it is here. There's two bolts, one on top and one's on the bottom to put it back. Then you tie up the actual caliper mount bracket here. There's two of them, one on top, one on the bottom. Just tie it up so it just doesn't come loose. And that the new rotor looks good. So we got it all in here, and I'm gonna go ahead and put this back together and mount up the wheel, and then we'll work on the other side.